Lloyds Banking App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how banking has evolved in 2025. Lloyds Banking App offers a full mobile experience, allowing you to manage accounts, make payments, and track spending all from your smartphone. But is it worth it? The app provides real-time balance updates, instant payments, and seamless integration with Lloyds accounts. The surprising truth is convenience. Most people get this wrong by thinking traditional banks can't compete with fully digital services. Lloyds combines the reliability of a major bank with modern app features. Budgeting tools are another highlight. You won't believe what happens next when you see categorized spending, savings goals, and notifications for unusual activity. These features help users stay on top of finances without extra effort. Plus, security is robust with biometric login and two-factor authentication protecting your money. However, there are cons. Some features like international payments or investment tools are limited compared to specialized apps. The interface can feel overwhelming for new users, and occasional app downtime can be frustrating during peak hours. Additionally, certain services may require a branch visit. In conclusion, Lloyds Banking App is ideal for UK residents in 2025 who want a reliable, feature-rich mobile banking experience. It's secure, convenient, and packed with tools for managing money effectively. While not perfect for every advanced financial need, it's a strong choice for everyday banking, budgeting, and keeping your finances under control.